Finally, the wait is over. Now, Digital Marketing University is live, and which is digitalmarketinguniversity.com. And we wanted to launch this course for quite some time. We've been doing a lot of B2B services and B2B classes. This is the first time that we will be doing a B2C, where as an individual you can attend our session. And these courses are going to be much more expensive. But since this is the first time that we are doing at a B2C level or at an individual level, you are getting this at a lower cost. And the whole idea is that we will give you enough reading material and we will help you to understand the whole structure and how you can make effective strategy. And that is the whole goal. And we will have a limited number of students who can attend this or limited number of professionals who can attend it. So come forward and sign up. And what are the things that you're going to get in this? And I have seen that many people are very good in making strategy, and especially when people look at me, people say that, oh, I make strategy really quick and I can make very effective strategy. But when people listen to me, people say that whatever you spoke was not very complicated. It did not have many jargons, or it was not too complicated for a business leader also to understand. And this is not the brilliance of me or the experience of me. Of course, there is 5 to 10% where my experience counts. But then this is a structure. How do you think? If I am given a 15 minutes or a 30 minutes to think about strategy, how do I think about a strategy and make it more effective? So these are things that you will learn. How to put a structure. When people talk about strategy, and I have seen in many of these meetings that the strategy meeting happens, we discuss about many points, and after that everyone is more confused than the previous meetings. What is strategy? How can you divide strategy into multiple components and in a sequence way? And you finish 1, finish 2, finish 3, finish 4, and once you are about 12 or 14 or 16 strategy points, your whole strategy is in place. Rather than getting tensed about strategy, how can we look at strategy in multiple smaller points? So these are things that we have done multiple times, and we did not have access to talent. So we had created our own talent in the past. We are creating our talent today. And this is a way how we create those talent which is not available in the industry. Hopefully you will enjoy it, and plus there are amazing things like budget, how to budget for your digital marketing, how to make your own team, how to decide which channel is good, how to decide what is positioning, what is messaging, how to integrate this, how different channels works with different segmentation, what are the messages for different segments, how do you create effective ads for different channels for different TG, how is digital different from offline. So there are plenty of things with plenty of statistics, but the whole idea is not to get you excited about digital, but help you decide the right channel, help you decide the right things to do on digital. And I will be delivering this session throughout. So on every Saturday and Sunday we will have session, except maybe 1 or 2 when I'll be traveling. Otherwise we'll have from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And if you're not very comfortable on the weekend classes, we also have weekday classes, which are again going to be 8 to 10, because that is the most comfortable time when everyone comes back to home, and then they can dedicate that kind of a time. And this is powered by SLTS, which is by Professor Ranjan Das of IIM Calcutta. He runs a company called the Strategy Academy, where it's a hybrid model, where it is not only online training, but it's a online and offline training, where offline you will be doing some exams, offline you will be reading something. So there is a amazing mix of online and offline. So the best practices of offline coming into the best practices of online. So you get the best of it, and that is why this is so cost effective. Otherwise, when I do an offline session, this is runs into few lakhs. Otherwise, it is not sustainable. Okay. Anyway, I'm looking forward for your participation, and the first session is free. In case if you don't like the session, which is going to be rare because this is very power pack, but I want to give you that opportunity to come and understand how I'm going to teach, understand what is the value of it, and then take a call. And I'm not in hurry, and I'm sure that you will see the testimonial that we have got. Come and experience the power of digital in the right way.